Click on the video clip. At the top, go to Edit, scroll all the way to the bottom, and in Playback, check Play on Repeat. If I play this video clip, now this video clip will be looped infinitely. So one thing I want to make you aware that a lot of people do not realize is that this play on repeat feature is only available for non-video format designs. Right now, as you can see, I'm using a custom non-video design format. If I were to go to a video format design right here, and you can tell by this video icon on the top compared to having no video icon here. If I try to do the same thing and look for that loop feature, if I go to edit and I scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll notice that there are no loop features. And that's because this is in a video format. And so if you want to loop this exact same video clip, the only way you can do that is to copy the video and paste it as many times as needed to be able to loop the video clip. So that goes for any video format here. The loop feature will not be available. You have to be in a non-video design format to be able to use this playback play on repeat feature. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.